All right, here's to draw your perspective room, okay? For your surrealist collage. In the center here, you're gonna do a small rectangle. That will be your back wall for the room. So for me to know where it goes, more or less, I kind of do like a sketch line. Because remember, you're gonna glue collage on top of it, so these lines won't see. So I kind of like this size. So this is about 4 inches by 5.5. So I just have to put it in the center here. Okay, so the paper is 9, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe starting here. All right, yeah, this is good. So starting on the 2.5 here, you do a line into 6.5, and then it's about this long. It doesn't have to be precise like I'm saying here, the same measurements. It just cannot be too big or you're not going to have space to do your side walls, okay? So you can eyeball it. And again, not a big deal if the corners aren't matching, because you're going to collage stuff in it. Jackson, can you please start? All right, so here, the top lines here for the ceiling, you're going to go from the corner of the rectangle to the side here, but don't go all the way to the top of the paper. Go a little bit under here, okay? So if you want, since you have the ruler, if you want to measure maybe 1 inch from the top, mark down, and then you measure here 1 inch, mark down. Now you know that you go from here to here, and from here to here. All right, that's your ceiling of the room. Okay, if we're doing with a vanishing point, your vanishing point would be here, where those two lines meet. But since we're going to collage, we're not really looking at the vanishing point a lot. All right, so the floor, it's like this. You go from the bottom corner of the rectangle, but then now you go to the bottom corner of the paper, okay? So bottom left corner of the rectangle to the bottom left corner of the paper. Same thing on the right side. Okay. Now it's like you're looking into a room. Okay, now the walls here, in each wall, you're gonna have a window. We did a 1 window and 2 doors. We're gonna have a window and 2 doors, okay? Doors here on the side and a window here. Or if you want to do a door in all of them, you can as well. So since we did windows yesterday, we're gonna do windows again on this one. So this line here is parallel to the top line. It's just a horizontal line. Just put your window wherever you want. Okay, and then on this side you're gonna do a door. So the door is, let's do an archway. Okay, the vertical lines is always vertical, so do a vertical line here. That'll be the height of the door, and let's do another one here. My room is big. And then you do the arch here. And then this one is going to be just a straight door. So vertical line. Now this line here, we're not using the vanishing point. We're just gonna use the line of the ceiling here, so it's kind of tilted and then goes down straight. Okay, now the next part is the checker pattern on the floor. Are you guys caught up? Okay, will you stop and just look real quick one more time, and then you continue? Jordan, Chloe, and Elaine. Just I'm going to show you this one more time. So from here, the center of this line here, kind of find the center. Eyeball, it's fine, and then you just do a straight line. And then from here, you're going to do lines, they're diagonal, okay? If you did find the vanishing point here, you can use that, but you don't have to. Just make sure that you are, okay, like this. So if you divide this in two, because you're going to do two lines, then you come here and divide this in two equal sections. Okay, so this, and then you just match this line with this line. Now the horizontal lines, they're parallel to this one, but they're closer together when they're close to the wall, and they gradually go a little bit more wider, far apart. All right, and that's it. That's the drawing part, to have your one perspective room.